Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to transfer or backup iPhone with FoneTool. So first, all you have to do is to go to phonetool.com and this is the interface of FoneTool. You can go to features to see what are the advantages you can get when you use FoneTool. So transfer and backup, you can also see here data management. So what you're going to do here is to simply click this free download in order for you to download Phone Tool and then go to your download folder, then run this as administrator. After that, you can open this system or this platform and you can start transferring or backupping your data. So this is what it looks like. You just have to simply scroll down and go to phone backup. By the way, aside from phone backup, you can also use this iCloud. You can manage your iCloud and iCloud Drive, phone backup, phone transfer, your WhatsApp manager, and toolbox. Okay, so proceed to phone backup, click get started, and then you can also have this selective backup or full backup. Everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. You can select important data to be backup like photos, music, videos, contacts, and messages. So take note, you must connect your phone first to your device in order for you to transfer or to have phone backup. So once done, all you have to do is to click this start backup and it will back up everything, especially those files that you have selected, or let's just say if you want a full backup. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use this phone tool. Again, just download Phone Tool, connect your iPhone to your device, and then create a backup for your files. So you can go to their website if you want to ask a support. If you encounter some problems, you just have to go to their website and then ask or contact them directly. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.